Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to install Visual Studio Code, also called VS Code. It is one of the most popular code editors used by developers across the world. Let's get started. First, open your browser, Chrome, Edge or anything use. In the search bar, type VS Code download. Click on the first link. Once the page opens, you will see download buttons for different operating systems, Windows, Mac and Linux. Since I am using Windows, I will click on the Windows. As soon as you click on it, VS Code will start downloading automatically. The file size is small, so it should not take long. Once the download completes, open the file. Now you will see the installation setup. Accept the agreement, then click next. Again click next. Again next. Now click on create a desktop icon. This will create a VS Code icon on desktop. Then click on next. Then click on install. Wait for a few minutes. And finally click on finish. This is how VS Code looks when you open it for the first time. You are now ready to start writing HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python or any language you want. So that's how you download and install VS Code. It is simple, fast and beginner friendly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.